presenting a pre-owned 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLS. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 101,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and automatic climate control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.